I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your PC meets Windows 11 requirements. TPM2. 0. Secure boot, sufficient RAM and disk. Once done, backup crucial data and make a system image so you can roll back. Next, download the official Windows 11 ISO and mount it in File Explorer by right-clicking and selecting Mount. This lets you run setup directly, no USB required, and gives you a virtual installer drive that behaves like a DVD, which is faster and safer for in-place upgrades. You now run setup. EXE from the mounted ISO and follow the first prompts. Accept the license and compatibility checks. Make a clear choice. Upgrade to keep files and apps or custom install if changing partitions. Custom may require reformatting, so be cautious. Disconnect external drives and peripherals to avoid driver conflicts and keep the laptop plugged in. While installation runs, the system may reboot multiple times. This is normal. If driver prompts appear, pause to install essential drivers before continuing to ensure hardware stability. You finish by completing the out-of-box experience. Choose language, sign in with a Microsoft or local account, and set privacy options. Once on the desktop, immediately run Windows Update and install chipset and display drivers to stabilize performance. Verify activation and restore any backed up files. If something goes wrong, installation error, or boot failure, one key troubleshooting tip: boot into the recovery environment, try startup repair. And if needed, remount the ISO from WinRe or safe mode and rerun setup to repair or repeat the in-place upgrade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.